This was the first time we participated, so it was something new for us, but it was really fun seeing all the people quizzing, and we'll definitely come back next time for more.
The quiz was like infotaining, and we were having a lots of fun as well as we were getting educated about these facts. So it's a good initiative by the NSE and CNBC. The quiz master was actually very funny, so we were not nervous, like we could answer the questions very well.
He loosened us up. When we came, we were pretty nervous, but he cracked some jokes and it all went well from there, so it was really good. Some of the questions were pretty easy while some were a bit tricky. It was all good. But
Actually, I liked finance before and after the quiz also, because I feel it's nice for me. I understand it, so I feel it very interesting.
no, I'm more of a science person, but still finance is like related to money, so it's really important. We must know how to run our own homes at least, so that is pretty important for us.
It is now like the most essential thing. If you want anything in your life, you need to get money, so I think finance is very important in your life.
Yeah, we got some new information, like in the crossword. Actually, we knew all the answers, but we were at that moment we were not able to answer. So, the crossword question which we got, that answer we didn't knew, and the word was areas. So that's something new which we got to learn. The quiz master was fantastic. He always he always cheered us up, so we were not nervous. So he was just very good. Yeah, if I get an option to work at NSE, I would definitely do that and serve my nation.
Yes, I feel that as the quizmaster stated that the question. First of all, we thought that since NSE is conducting this quiz, so the questions would be really difficult. But the quizmaster told us that they are from real life situations and are very basic. It was the truth. As the question of FICCI, I had read in my textbook only, so that was really connected to our everyday life.
It was a nice experience here, and as Quizmaster encouraged us, and new questions coming into our mind, and we got to know, and great information was received by us. Today, that area and stub and many other words which were in the crossword, I learned that, and got to know a lot of things about the finance. Today everything is by finance. So if you have money, you can do anything. So money making is just finance, and it is necessary in today's life.
The experience was very good. The quiz was informative. This was my first time I have come for such a quiz. It was a very nice experience. I've learned many things and I'm looking forward for more quizzes like this.
So it was the first time we participated at a national level event, so it was quite a new experience. And we saw how the shooting is done actually on the national level quizzes. And it was quite a good experience too. NSE is providing, and Financial Quest is providing a good platform for all us among the youngsters to learn and spread the knowledge regarding finance and economics.
CNBC TV18 and NSE have given this opportunity to us to learn something about economics and to see and explore ourselves at how much we can learn. So it's very nice we get a start so that in future also we can learn. I learned many new financial words like stub and all that I didn't know, but now I know that then the pay slip, and then before the quiz I was not really interested, like I never tried that to learn the new terms or to see what it is now, but for the quiz I've started to see what finance is all about and to learn the new terms, and I find it interesting also, so I'd like to continue it in future.
Finance was always fascinating me, but now with the quiz the interest has surely gone up, and now we will be trying to participate in more and more quizzes like this one based on finance and economics.
The experience was like, I can't explain, it was very good. I got to know many things about finance, which I was very eager to know.
It was very good. I came to know some new terms and basics of the finance, and I was not at all interested in finance before, but after attempting this quiz I was very interested in finance. I liked it. It improves the financial situations in a country, as well as we come to know more about finance.
It is a very good initiative as it educates the young India, and quizzes like this are the only thing that we would like to participate in. Words like stub, area were the words like I had never heard in my life before, but today I came to know many of them.
It was a very good experience for us. We came to learn many new things, and in the world of finance, we explored new things here, and NSE and CNBC gave us a new platform for knowing new things for in the world of finance.
CNBC and NSE give us very good platform, and hopefully I will request all my fellow mates to participate in this quiz, since it is giving a very good platform and they can know more about finance. Many financial, not few, because since I have a very finite magnitude of finance, so I learned many new words, just that stub, that affidavit, then the treasurer, and I was spellbound because the level, I think that I need to study more and increase my knowledge about finance.
Quizmaster was fantastic. He was a funny guy, and he told us many new things on the in finance, and he also shared some knowledge with us. I would like to become a CA, and also I will become a member in NSC.
If I get a chance to be a member of NSE, surely yes. Why? Because NSE is a national platform and it will correlate my topic, which is I love money, and finance is just next to it. So I would heartily love to be a member of NSE.
We took part in this quiz for the first time, and as the name of this event suggests, financial quiz, we really enjoyed the quiz, and we also learned a lot of things from it about finance.
I think this type of quiz, the financial quiz, it was very informative, initiative, and and if given a chance, I would like to take part again. I learned some technical words like stub and joint account and many more of them, which I will look up in the dictionary again.
He was a very helpful guy, and the quiz master was very helpful, and he informed us about many new things, and we learned from him very new words. Yeah, of course I would like to work in NSC because I will get more to study about finance, and I'll get a chance to take career in finance.
Actually, we got very little time for preparations, knowing about this only 2 days ago. We just went through the basic financial terminology and about how the stock market actually functions.
It was actually a teamwork. Apart from that, we also discussed some terms. My father's doing MBA, his father's also in the business. So that was also a plus point. We'll just prepare as well as we can, and then it's on luck.
Our strategy will be just to go ahead and do it as good as we can. I think we were well prepared, but the questions were not that, they were quite easy. You could see the difficulty level in some of them. And I think they were good for increasing the financial quotient of a person like of our age.
I agree with Aditya. The questions were not very easy. Some of them we had to work out, some of them it was on our general knowledge. So the quizmaster was very good, he was very friendly, and he made us quite comfortable.
I agree with him. The quizmaster was the reason why we could excel in this game. He was always encouraging us, even when we were on a low or somewhere, or we were stuck somewhere. Yeah, of course, it helps to increase our knowledge about finance. It helps us to prepare for the life that lies ahead of us. Since in our life we have to deal with finance, whether we be it any profession, it's ultimately comes down to us to budget our income or to prepare a budget for the income. So it all comes down to finance in the end. So I think a platform like this is very good for increasing our financial quotient.
I think that finance is a subject which is not taught much in the school. So other sources like this are very good to help us manage our finances better later on in life.